welcome to Dee's World. Thank you for coming to join me today. Today's video is a little different. Today's video is just a little different. We're not really working on the skin per se, but I'm showing you guys how to wrap a white towel around your head. You will be shocked. A lot of people do not know how to wrap the towel. You know, you see the beautiful towel wraps when women come out the shower. Sometimes men do it too. You know, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Now, I just learned how to do it because I'm like, what am I doing wrong? But it's a easy technique I want to show you guys so you can guys be able to do it too. Now, when I do it is when I get out of the shower and I want to start on my facial routine. Instead of sometimes like getting a band to put on my hair, I'll do this because this really holds my hair back because I have a lot of braids. So this really helps. And I'm going to show you how to wrap it, even leaving hair out. All right. So look. Oh, can you see some? Look, guys, this towel is pretty big, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it. You know what? As a matter of fact, I'm not going to fold it. This is a big towel. Just make sure my braids are pushed behind my ear. So push your hair or your braids behind your ear. Okay? And then I'm going to give it a twisting motion like this. And then simple, I give it a twisting motion. And then I'm going to turn around. Look, guys. I'm going to cup it underneath the thing like that. Okay, how simple. How simple was that? And it's cute. Look, guys. So I wrap it in the front, you see there? And then I'm turning around the back. Super cute. Okay, guys, thanks for coming to Dee's World. Wrapping your hair or your braids or whatever in a towel is really simple. It's not hard. It looks hard because it looks so, I don't know, put together in the front. But and it doesn't matter the size of the towel per se. I use that towel that's like a medium to large size towel. So, you know, I'm thinking maybe a small would be too small. So I would say medium would be the perfect size towel to use to do that. But it worked, you guys. I love it, and I hope you guys loved it too. If you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe to Dee's World today. I do tons of stuff on my channel, guys. I do breastfeeding vlogs and tutorials, skincare vlogs. I like to review items like prom dresses and Amazon. You know, I'm adding restaurant vlogs as well, so you'll never get bored over here at Dee's World, okay? You'll never get bored. So thanks again for coming to Dee's World, and now we'll see you guys for another video. Bye. Mwah.